Now, when we look at our crypto app, I'm going to go back. So here, our launcher icon has the Flutter icon. That's not what we want. We want to use our own icon. So we're going to be doing that for iOS and Android. But in this video, we're going to be doing for Android. So a couple of things we need to do first. We need to get our own logo or icon. And then after doing that, I'm going to open Chrome. And then here I'm going to do Android launcher icon generator is the maker. So we can use this resource to make our what is it called, to make our logo. So this is what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do is here we're gonna change this foreground to image, and then it's asking us to upload our image. So you make sure you have your image ready, or your logo is an icon you want to call it. And then no, let me go down here. Okay, so this is it. This is what I want to use. So I'm going to open this, and then we have it here. So I don't know, should I use this color? I think black is going to do, so I can use black. I can think black is nice. So we can do the padding here. Maybe we want the padding to be, but I don't think that quite is quite good for what we're trying to do. So I'm just going to go back to 25. I think 25 is quite good for this. Or can we 30? 30, 25. Okay, I'm going to go with 30. I think I like 30 better. So, whereas I don't think we need to mess with any other thing here. Sometimes we might want to change the color set to transparent to use original color. So whatever we want to do, but I think this is just nice for what we're doing. So we're just going to download it here. So it's downloading. Now we have IC launcher.zip downloaded for us. So let's see. No, I'm not going to open. So I'm just going to go back to download, and then this is what we have. So I'm going to okay, so now I've unzipped it, so I'm going to open this to see what we have there. So this is what we have in the resource folder. We have all of these. So if we open this, we have, don't think we need this, IC launcher.xml. This is what we need. Okay, this is what we need. IC launcher.png. We don't really need this, so I think I'm just going to delete this, or you can delete it on your own hand, but we don't really need this. So what we're going to do now is all of this. We don't need this. We don't need this. What we need is we need this. So I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to copy, and then we're going to go back to our Android Studio. So let's go back to Android Studio. So we're going to go to Android folder, since we're doing for Android, and then in app, source, main, the resource folder. So let's go to resource folder. Now all this map, we're going to replace them with our own. So I'm just going to paste here, paste, and then it's asking, so okay, and it's okay, override for everything, override for all. So now we have our own here. So if we click this, so we have our own icon. If we click this, we have our own icon as well. So just for everything like that, even this, we have our own icon. So the next thing we need to do, so this is like adaptive for different screen sizes. Now you realize we're not installing any package to do this. We're just doing this natively. So the next thing we need to do is we need to reference this. We need to make sure this is referencing in Android manifest.xml. So under application, Android icon, we have MIP then IC launcher. So we need to make sure this name, IC launcher, is the same as what we have inside our MIP folders. So it's the same across. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just to ensure nothing is cached, I'm going to uninstall this. So apps, and then I'm going to uninstall this. Good. And then after uninstalling this, we're going to run our app, and then we're going to check. So I'm going to select, just going to close this. I'm going to select our emulator here, and then I'm going to run it. I'm running this app. Okay, I think we're good to go. So I'm going to open emulator. So we're back. Now we've all installed the app and we're running. So that's why we didn't have our data anymore. So if we go back, let's see the launcher icon. You see, we have our launcher icon here. Our own launcher icon, not the Flutter one here. That's what we have here. So we launch it, say it's back. So this is for Android. We're going to come back and do for iOS. I think there's an issue with my emulator, but then you get the idea. So guys, this is how we replace this is how we make our own custom launcher icon without installing any package.